Jonas heard that some states place a cap on the amount of money that you can win in a lawsuit. And so is it true? And what if the amount of your damages is more than the amount allowed?
In Georgia, it's been declared unconstitutional to place a cap on general damages. However, they have upheld a cap of $250,000 for punitive damages. And what that means is, say, for example, a guy is driving DUI down the road 100 miles an hour and causes the death of a family member. Under Georgia law, as a general rule, there would be a cap of $250,000 in punitive damages, unless you can show that the defendant acted intentionally during the course of the conduct leading to the death. Now, the rules may be different in South Carolina, and Kip, you can address that.
Sure. Depending on the type of claim that's brought in South Carolina, you may have some caps that come into play. For instance, if you have a medical malpractice or professional negligence case, you are capped to some extent on your non-economic damages, which are your pain and suffering, that sort of thing. So there are some caps that come into play. There are also some ways around those caps if the conduct is reckless or grossly negligent. You may be able to overcome or bust those caps. So you know, that's all part of the litigation. That certainly will come into play in discussions with your attorneys. But in South Carolina, there are some caps that may factor in depending on the type of claim that's brought.